Milton a call here and see if I can get somebody on the phone.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, that's a bit. That's a bit. Oh yeah. Also, bro, when you're trying to call people and you can't get a hold of somebody and you see that they're over the age of 60, you can definitely skip trace their kids.
Okay, how do I approach the kids? Just because if they say, "Oh, well, they're still alive,"
So,
that's
for example, so for Mary Red, so what you'll do is you'll type that address in that she lives in, and to
yeah,
skip Jenny, just like if she owned the property, you want to get in contact with her kids, you would treat it the same way.
yeah. But like, how do I I guess propose the idea to the kids? Because if
I just say, hey, this is Gavin. I've been trying to get in contact with your mom, Mary. I'm dealing with a property over here. I spoke to you guys' uncle, Rodney. He was interested in selling it, and but he said I need to make contact with your mom. So I've been trying to get in contact with her, and I seen that she was up in age, and I wasn't able to reach her. So I was like, I don't know if I got the right number or not, but I just figured I'd call you to see if you can help me get in contact with her. That's exactly what I would say.
gotcha, that makes sense.
All right, cool, cool. All right, that's a bit. That's a bit. Anything else going on, bro?
Children and call it.
All right, that's a bit. That's a bit. I'm finna hand off that list to Steven, and then we're gonna see if we can get these goddamn deals sold, bro.
It sounds good.
All right, then, bro. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, that's bet.
All right, peace.
I'll see.